Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Snapchat Spotlight. So the Snapchat app has a new category called Snap Spotlight that displays spotlight snaps, which are brief videos that can last up to 60 seconds. The content you see on Snapchat Spotlight tab is determined by an algorithm that, similar to TikTok's, shows you what it thinks you'd like to see based on what you've previously watched and how long you watched it. So these are the examples. So you can interact to other users and creator by just tapping the heart icon, and then you can also share this one to anyone, okay, your friends. You can copy the link, you can share this to your Facebook, you can save this to your gallery. If you tap this three dots, then you can also see there that you can share this video to other applications such as Discord and Gmail, something like that. So if you tap this three dots below, you will see here remix snap, report snap, and other options. Now, if you want to search specific video, all you have to do is to go to the search icon here and then type and search the specific video that you wanted to watch. Okay. Now, to use or create Snapchat Spotlight, all you have to do is to click this plus icon and then tap the circle here to capture, to record a view, an event, or whatever it is that you like to record or capture. So as you can see, I'm trying to record a view here. Once done recording on the right side, you can see here options and features that you can add. For example, text. You can also add some drawings here, stickers, music, background, something like that. Okay, and then once done, what you want to do is to tap next. Now you have options here. You can just simply add this to your story, send it to your friend. But this time, you have to share it to your spotlight. All you have to do is to simply click this circle here, and you need to read the information. Submit your best video snaps. Okay, so you have to read this one, and once everything is okay, you just have to tap OK, and then add this to your spotlight. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of minutes, I guess, while it is processing. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.